All right, Switchblade. Oh, a little too heavy. Okay. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, slid way in there. A little too muddy today. This is on the other side of Rocky Point. It's been heavy rain, I think, over here. Like just coming up the hill, I was getting a little hard to walk. Oh, all right, it's feeling a little better in here. Okay. Ooh, little washout there. Man, it's gonna be so good in here when it's not slick. Okay, gotta be careful here. Little, okay. All right, this part here, I already know is gonna be too much. It's way slicker. When I was here last time, came in and just lost it. It's so steep there. And with these conditions, no traction. So I'm gonna take the old berm here and just pass this part. Yeah, this looks okay. Let's go here. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! See those branches? Okay. All right. Not too bad. Okay. Oh no. Dodge the trouble. Oh no, oh shit. I always forget because I want to blast off that, and then there's this. Let's see, I think I can go there. Nope. Just a little too much today. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Not too bad. All right, this part's gonna be fun. Luckily, there's no roots crossing this. This is probably the steepest part in this whole area. All right, no brakes. Oh, yeah, it's a wall. All right. Ooh, now. This trail's got a lot of fun little features, little poppers and little jumps, a couple doubles that when it's like this, it's a little too iffy. All right, let's do it all over again. Weather's getting good.